Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In today's tutorial video, I'm about to show you how you can delete mails in your AOL mail. So, go ahead and open up your AOL mail. After opening it, go to the inbox section and press on the mail you want to delete. After that, you can press on delete, and this is how you delete your email. You can also delete a bunch of emails at a time. Also to note that you can also go back to the deleted file, take it to archive or move it back to inbox again. Let me show you. Let's go to the trash section, press on one mail, and then press on archive. As we press on spam and archive, they will go to their respected places. Let me press on archive after this, and this mail has now been moved to archive. Let me show you another example of the deleted mails. I want to send this into the inbox. So this mail has been sent to the inbox section now. There are a lot of options to send your deleted mail to. We can also permanently delete the mails from the trash section. So this is how you delete your mails from the AOL mail. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. If you still have any sorts of confusion, please mention us on the comment section down below. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.